Pfizer has reached a milestone. Earlier today, the FDA approved its use to vaccinate children between the ages of 5 and 11. Next, the CDC will issue its recommendations. If all goes accordingly, if you have a child in that age group, then they could be vaccinated as early as next week. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Shante Passmore is live from Yukon Health. Shante, with this green light now, how are parents responding to this?
Well, Patricia, reaction is mixed right now. Some parents say, yes, I'll get my kid vaccinated, while others are saying, I want to play the wait and see game. Meanwhile, doctors are saying this move gets us closer to crushing the virus.
A victory for Pfizer. The FDA cleared the use of its COVID-19 vaccine for kids as young as 5. Next week, advisors to the CDC are expected to outline detailed guidance. At a trunk or treat hosted by the Urban League of Greater Hartford, some families welcomed the news.
I'm 68, I'm raising my 3 grandkids, and they're in and out all the time, and I want to make sure they're not going to bring home, and I'm going to go to the hospital. I got to be there for them.
But for Stephanie Figueroa, she's worried about possible side effects for a son with an underlying health condition. She tells me she's vaccinated.
I think it's a matter of more research, to be honest. Because again, I'm not just going to be like, hey, let's vaccinate the kids because the government is saying it's fine.
Still, the medical community believes the benefits outweigh the risks based on data.
And of course, having higher rates of coverage in our communities are not only going to reduce rates within the community, but it also provides another layer of protection.
Once we've gotten past, the majority of those 5 to 11-year-olds being fully vaccinated, then they're going to get a lot of the same freedoms that the rest of us benefit from.
Back to the Halloween event, families that support the approval say the doses will allow kids to be kids again.
It's been very hard. I've been very heartbroken and sad by that because children need to be able to be children and have social skills.
And once the CDC gives Pfizer the go-ahead, some key takeaways to remember. This dose is about a third of the amount given to people 12 and up. And we're also learning the vials will have orange caps to avoid confusion, and eligible kids will get 2 shots 3 weeks apart. Live in Farmington this evening, Shante Passmore, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Shante, so many people excited.